What's going on, Pro Cutters? Back here at the new 4-season room job. We finally got the windows in from Depot, and unfortunately one of them got broke in shipping, and so now we're still going to be waiting for our third window on the long wall. But we're getting ready to install our small window. I've cut out the house wrap, stapled it in, and I'm getting ready to put on the sealant. So the first thing you're going to do with your window flash is put a piece over the sill and up the sides, and then you'll put another piece on halfway on the sill, halfway on the face, and then the last thing you do is put a piece on your corner and then cut it across here and flap that in. And now your whole sill pan here for your window is waterproof. Now you can install your window. And I screw every other hole around the top and sides, and I make sure I get the corners. I don't put any screws in the bottom because I don't want to compromise the waterproofing. Then once your window is screwed in, you flash this side and that side, and then across the top. And again, you don't want to flash across the bottom because should water infiltrate, you want it to be able to run out. So everything needs to shingle down. I've got 2 more windows in, the exact same process. Waterproof the sill, install the window, flash the windows. Now I've left that top piece of flash off, and I've left this side a piece of flash off because I have one more window to install, but unfortunately it got broke during shipping, so I'm waiting on the last window. So when I install that window, I'll flash here, and then I'll flash across the entire top. And then this siding is going to be coming off as well, because we're going to change the color when we do our board and batten siding. We're going to change the color of that siding to complement it.